Safe driving depends not only on technical skills, but also on the driver's mindset, medical fitness, and overall well-being. This guideline provides a structured checklist to assess driver readiness before assigning driving duties. Mindset assessment. Evaluate the driver's mental state and attitude. Alertness, is the driver attentive and focused? Stress levels. Check for signs of fatigue, anxiety, or emotional distress. Attitude. Ensure a positive, responsible outlook toward road safety. Decision-making ability. Assess capacity to make sound judgments under pressure. Medical fitness assessment. Medical fitness must be assessed to ensure the driver is physically capable of safe driving. Key areas include vision, adequate eyesight with corrective lenses if required, hearing, ability to detect auditory signals and warnings, cardiovascular health, no conditions that may impair consciousness or stamina, neurological health, absence of disorders that affect coordination or reaction time, medication review, confirm that prescribed drugs do not impair alertness or judgment. Well-being factors. Overall well-being contributes to safe driving performance. Sleep quality. Ensure sufficient rest before driving. Nutrition. Balanced diet to maintain energy and focus. Hydration. Prevent fatigue and reduce concentration. Lifestyle habits. Avoid alcohol, drugs, or substances that impair driving ability. Checklist for driver readiness. Use this checklist before assigning driving duties. Mindset assessed and positive. Medical fitness confirmed. Well-being factors reviewed. No impairing medications or substances. Driver demonstrates readiness and responsibility. Driver behavior is shaped by mindset, medical fitness, and well-being. Regular assessment ensures safer roads and protects both the driver and the public. This concludes our checklist review. Be safe on the road, be a responsible driver. Please avert road traffic accident. Goodbye.